One of the biggest myths about the IAS exam is that you need to study every book, every fact, and every piece of information under the sun. UPSC seems to reinforce this myth by providing a vague syllabus, especially for the prelims. For example, the history syllabus is summarized in just 7 words: History of India and Indian National Movement. The entire prelim syllabus is given in just 75 words. Many aspirants misinterpret this as an invitation to read everything, leading to overwhelming and inefficient preparation. The reality, however, is quite different. A careful analysis of past years' question papers reveals a clear pattern. Certain topics are frequently repeated, while others carry more weight. This means your preparation should be strategic, not random. While UPSC does not explicitly list every topic in detail for the prelims, there is a simple way to decode it. NCERT textbooks serve as a benchmark for what is relevant. If you master the concepts in NCERT books, your foundation will be rock solid. And the best part? You are already familiar with most of these topics. They were covered in your school syllabus, regardless of your board, whether state board, CBSE, or ICSE. In essence, the syllabus consists of what you have already learned up to the 12th grade. The difference now is that you must revisit these concepts with a fresh perspective and a deeper understanding. To achieve this, numerous high-quality textbooks simplify complex topics, making your study process easier. In short, although the syllabus is not clearly defined, you don't need to feel lost in an ocean of content. Start by analyzing past question papers, focusing on NCERT concepts, and referring to standard textbooks. With this approach, your IAS journey will be easier, more efficient, and more fruitful. So let go of the myth and believe in yourself. You need not study everything under the sun. Stay motivated, stay focused, and success will follow.